refreshing pampalamig drinks. Sobrang init. Ice, guys. Ayan. Tagay tayo ng ice. And meron ako ditong milk na matcha, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Lagay natin. And then lagay natin yung naglagay tayo ng organic almond. Unsweetened to, guys. Walang sugar to. And then, kailangan din natin ng sweetener. So, ang gamitin ko is stevia sugar, guys. Ayan. So, naglagay tayo ng 2 half spoon, guys. Then, meron na tayong refreshing na drinks. Lagyan ko pa ito ng konting tubig, guys. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!